Hey, watch out,
No, that's
dog.
not.
Watch out, dog. I gotta go get it fitted. You feel me? How I get this? I don't know, baby, but how I get this to work? Oh, here it go. I got you. I think.
You're gonna break it.
Oh. So hey guys, man, I am back. Welcome back. Man, I got a proud dad moment, man. My 7-year-old son, who you see right here, man, that's KMB right there, man. He made me happy today, dog. You know, me and mom's anniversary is coming up, and him and his mom went to go do something to surprise me a little early. You know what I'm saying? But in the process of surprising me, man, he got surprised too. He all blinged out and everything. Show him your chain. Show him. Turn around. There you go. Little Star Wars joint, man. And I'm proud of the dude, man. He always look out for me. They always look out for me, man. And my wife just fine as she ever can be, you know. But I'm gonna show y'all the little gift that they kind of got me, man. A little swag, you know. Something light. They know I love candy, so they got me a little Snicker bar and everything else like that. Oh, I might need some light, y'all. Help me out. Bam! I got some light. Hold on. So they got me a little Snicker bar and everything, man. And I'm like, alright, bet. But why in the world do y'all have a bag? So they brought me this bag. Come here, son. They brought me this bag, man. And they got me a gift. And you know, I don't really ask for much. I don't be wanting nothing. I just be wanting the company of my family and enjoy them. We just moved, you know, by the grace of God, man. We blessed. We be able to do the things that we wanted to do. We might not have had everything that we wanted, but you know, God has made a way through it all. So let me show y'all this gift that they got me, man. I really love it. Shouts out to my son because he the one that picked it out. Look at that. Yeah. About to start rocking him heavy, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm loved. I appreciate it. Give me some, my dog. Show the world our handshake, man. My dog. So if any of y'all know about that Will Smith, man, that's how we coming. My son, I appreciate you, man. My boy.
My mom said I can keep this one.
We're gonna think about that one.
No,
but tune in next time, man. Great gifts from your family, man. And those that love you, man. We just want to encourage everybody. You know, I might have got you something for my anniversary, but we just want to let everybody know that you're loved, you're blessed. God got your back. Love, peace, hair grease. Holla at your boy.